again is a tulip field here in Heligom by Lizzie. So come and join us. This is our the third time this year to come to the tulip field. Nagutom, so we eat first McDonald's before we go to the tulip field. Yes, this is my third time this year. Can you imagine? I go to the tulip field. Ayan. At luckily, maraming nagpipicture dito, kaya makikipicture din kami.
Daming tao.
O, diba? Ayan, picture tayo at ayan sa tulip field.
Kasama ko yung castle. Oh, come here. Look, they have a pink one. Come. You here by the castle. Castle.
Are you making video?
No, picture.
Magsara tayo ngayon sa copy picture dito sa tulip field kasi ang daming bukang field. Not like the first time we came here, wala pa siya. But now, ang dami na ako, diba? So picture, enjoy.
Your car will get the dust.
Wow.
After sa madami, naghanap ulit kami ng ibang lugar at may nagpapaalis doon na mama. You need to pay 500 euro daw. Kaya dito kami, lumipat kami dito sa ibang lugar naman na ang daming tulips din pero hindi masyado ang tao, kami pa lang.
Nobody and white. Nobody and white.
The sun.
No,
Like this?
Buti, walang masyadong tao dito. Luckily, they don't have much people here. Kaya picture. At meron din silang white tulips. Look, it's so beautiful. Sige, Sinta, picture ka dyan. Picture tayo.
Ang ganda oh.
from here.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
Here, she's here.
Grabe, look, white, orange, and yellow over there. Mga field, ayun may purple pa. So beautiful talaga this time. So this is our third time na maghunting ng tulip at ngayon ay mga buka na ang tulip. Kaya hayan, ganyan na siya kaganda. Kita nyo hanggang kalikod-likuran. O, diba?
Kaya iba-ibang kulay oh. because you're wearing orange, so the guy knows you well. Hey lady, I talked to you already. You're here again. And you also are here again. You're supposed to.
Pinaalis kami dun sa kabila, nasundan kami dito. At heto, ayan, umalis kami sa ibang lugar na meron namang hyacinth. So this is the hyacinth. It's not tulip, but look at the purple hyacinth. Ang ganda-ganda. Hanggang kalikod-likuran ay puno-puno ng hyacinth, diba? Picture.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, I want to marry with the boer. I want to marry with the boer.
But you're not allowed to pick up the ano. Yeah, we can go here.
Yeah.
Hyacinth. So beautiful. Halika dito tayo dumaan. Wait. Ito. Hindi pa ready yun, oh. Pero ayun, hanggang doon, nakita nyo yun? At heto ang tulips. Ayan, may sunset.
We are choosing the sunset. Ayan. O, diba? Ganda ng sunset ng the tulips. Tingnan mo sa likuran niya. Ang gandang tingnan. Yung feel na may sunset. Super. Ang galing. Ang ganda-ganda talaga.
This food is flower.
1, 2.
That's the puno kami dito sa purple. This is Hatik Hyacinth purple. You see how beautiful it is? Yung feel niya punong-puno ng purple lang. O diba? Hektarya. Yes, ng hyacinth. At ito yung pink na hyacinth din. Ang ganda. Super.
Sinta!
At look, we find a beautiful spot
Yes,
na
there, we
merong
don't go
kahoy
far.
pang picture taking. O diba? Pwedeng umupo sa
Yeah.
kahoy, picture.
1, 2, 3.
Ayan,
1,
picture
2.
muna tayo dito. Ang ganda oh. Tapos kita mo overlooking talaga yung mga
With the sunset.
bulaklak. Ay, ang ganda. Super. Dito sa may bridge. With the bridge is also beautiful picture. Look.
Babe, you can make
And
pictures
with
in
the
front.
sunset. Ayan. O diba? Super ganda.
Tadi po, bigit sa sunset.
Behind you, yung water and tulips. Wow. It's nice and beautiful. And the sunset. Ay, ang ganda talaga. Sobra. Ang ganda. Wala akong masabi. Talagang nakaka-peace of mind. Tingnan talaga tong mga tulips. Thank you guys for watching.